actually harmed in the making of this film.
Amelia, and I am the camera person / director.
Two actors. What's your name?
I'm Vivian, and I play Miss Seward.
I'm Tucker, and I played Lewis Powell.
Hi, my name's Alana, and I did the costume, the script writing, and I was an actor. Go.
No.
You're gonna like walk out. Oh, oopsies! I didn't break it, did I? Oh, it's filming. What's my line?
She comes, and then I come up, and then when I walk.
Oh, I love your trick. It's so awesome. Put Bob Ross on. Put Bob Ross on. Oh my God. It's Bob Ross.
Elena.
What?
Thanks for watching, and have a great day.